Are you ready to break free from the resume abyss and land your dream job? Say goodbye to being just another applicant and say hello to standing out with my expert secret job searching strategies for a killer resume. As an executive recruiter and job search strategist, I'm going to guide you through developing a resume that demands attention and secures your spot as the top candidate. Are you confidently thinking your resume is top-notch, or maybe you hired someone to polish it for you? But hold on. Here's a crucial fact to remember. Your resume's most significant task is to lure in calls. If you're not receiving 3 to 5 calls per week, then it doesn't matter how beautiful you think your resume is. It's not doing its job. It's time to change it up so it works for you. Now, listen up, job seekers. The competition is fierce and employers aren't messing around. Studies show that recruiters like me only dedicate 6 seconds to your resume before making a decision on whether you're worthy of an interview. So, don't let your chance slip away. Capture their attention and stand out from the crowd. In this series on resume development, I'm going to reveal how to write a winning resume that will get you noticed by hiring managers and recruiters and help you land the job that you want so badly. Today, I'm going to share one incredibly important thing that job seekers need to focus on when developing their resumes to grab a recruiter's attention. But first, my name is Eileen Ryan. And for over a decade, I've been an executive recruiter and a job search strategist for thousands of paying clients. My expertise lies in revealing insider secrets from the view of the recruiter on how to quickly capture the attention of employers and recruiters to land the dream job that you desire. As a job search strategist, I focus on teaching ambitious job seekers how to speed up their job search, secure a position that inspires them, and earn the income that they so richly deserve. You're here watching this video to learn how to land your dream job. I create training like this every single week. If you would like to jump the line and get this training before everyone else, now would be a genius time to subscribe to get alerts when I post new content. Let's get right to it. Developing a successful resume can be a daunting task, especially when trying to stand out in a crowded job market. One way to make a great impression on potential employers is to incorporate industry-specific terminology and keywords into your resume. By doing so, you demonstrate your familiarity with the language used in your field, and you show that you are a professional with a deep understanding of your area of expertise. Studies have shown that using relevant keywords can increase your chances of being hired by up to 30%. So, don't miss out on a great opportunity because your resume doesn't speak the right language. Take the time to research and understand the vocabulary used in your industry and use it to showcase your skills and experience. With the right keywords and the terminology, you can create a resume that speaks to employers in a language that they understand, and it boosts your chances of landing the job that you want. I have an expert tip I want to share with you, but if any of this resonates with you, I want you to go to my website. It's www.poundingpavement101.com. And this way you can gain immediate access to my free job search on-demand workshop. It'll show you a genius strategic plan on how to attack the job market. You can watch it immediately so you don't have to waste a moment of time in your job search. Because as far as I'm concerned, every day you're not working, you are losing money. I don't believe in wasting time, and I certainly don't believe in wasting money. As we all know, it flies out the window fast enough. Okay, shh. Listen up. I have an exclusive insider tip to share with you. The recruiter is practically spoon-feeding you the answers you need to land that dream job. It's all right there in the job description. All you have to do is pay attention to what they're looking for in a candidate. This little nugget of wisdom will give you the power to showcase your relevant experience and turn heads. Believe me, recruiters will be tripping over themselves to get in touch with you. And while what I just taught you is incredibly important, it might not be the only thing to get you to where you want to be in landing your next career opportunity. So, again, I encourage you to subscribe to get alerts every time I post new content on inside secrets to grab a recruiter's attention. And remember to check out my free on-demand job search training workshop. It's at www.poundingpavement101.com. My name is Eileen Ryan. I'm an executive recruiter and a job search strategist from Pounding Pavement 101. This series is about resume development. If you would like to find out more information, certainly go and check out the other videos in this series. And there's a whole bunch of other videos on my YouTube channel that can help you in your job search. And if you really want to turbocharge your job search, grab time on my calendar. It's at gethired.careers, nice and simple. Get hired, one word, .careers. So we can talk about your job search and how my foolproof job-getting career-building system, Pounding Pavement 101, can show you those super secret ninja tricks on how to land your dream job as it has for thousands of job seekers. Good luck in your job search. I look forward to speaking with you.